Coming. Good morning, everyone. Today in this class, we are going to file ITR form number 4, income tax return form number 4. ITR form number 4 is applicable to two people. One is for individuals and as well as firms. If any individual person having any income sources from business or profession, they need to declare the same in ITR 3 or ITR 4. ITR 3 in case of individual business audit mandatory, ITR 4 in case of non-audit. Firms, for firms there are two forms applicable, ITR 4 in case of non-audit and ITR 5 in case of audit. You got my point? ITR 3 audit return applicable to individual persons having income from business or profession. ITR 5 applicable to firms having income from business or profession in case of audit mandatory ITR 5. This both individuals and firms can file ITR form number 4 in case of non-audit. You got my point? So individuals also can file ITR 4, firms also can file ITR 4. Only in what case? Non-audit cases. Now you should understand what is audit, what is non-audit. Okay, there are sections 1961 Income Tax Act, 44 AD, 44 AB, 44 ADA. There are three sections applicable to businesses, applicable to profession, applicable to small transport agencies. I will also show you the same. So to file ITR form number 4, we should become what? We should be eligible for non-audit. Okay. So what is the criteria for non-audit? If you see on screen, any business whose turnover is less than 2 crore. I am talking about business. Okay. Any business whose turnover, the total sales value is less than 2 crore. Any business whose turnover is less than 2 crore and willing to disclose minimum income. Any business whose turnover is less than 2 crore and willing to declare minimum profits are eligible for non-audit. What is minimum profit? 6% on digital receipts, 8% on cash receipts. This is a minimum profits. So if any business turnover less than 2 crore and if they are willing to declare minimum profits of 6% and 8%, they will become eligible for non-audit. You got my point? In case of profession, the gross receipts of the profession services provider should be less than 50 lakhs and who are willing to declare minimum profit of 50% are eligible for non-audit. Again I confirm, Indian government come up with a scheme called as Presumptive Taxation scheme. In this Presumptive Taxation scheme, the actual book of accounts will not be considered. Book of accounts no need to maintain. To reduce the tax compliance burden on small taxpayers, government introduced a scheme called as Presumptive Taxation scheme. As per this scheme, the business owner no need to maintain trading account, no need to maintain profit and loss account, no need to maintain balance sheet and no need to conduct audit for their book of accounts. Just to boost the economy, to help the small taxpayers, government introduced a scheme called as what? Presumptive taxation scheme. This scheme is eligible for only non-audit cases. In this case, any taxpayer whose turnover is less than 2 crore, they no need to maintain any book of accounts, but they need to declare minimum profit and pay taxes. No trading account, no profit and loss account, no balance sheet needs to be prepared, or no audit needs to be conducted. Just only 3 things. What is your total sales? 80 lakhs. Out of 80 lakhs of the example sales, whatever amount you collected in bank multiplied by 6%, whatever amount you collected via cash multiplied by 8%, irrespective of your original profit, you need to compute profit based on this scheme. You got my point? I will also take you to the Excel just to make you understand in a short example. Look, let's say we are running a business where our total purchases was considered, let's say around consider 50 lakhs. Our purchases, just for example, purchases total 50 lakhs and the sales, consider our sales 80 lakhs. So what will be the gross profit?
50 lakhs.
The gross profit will be 30 lakhs. Cost price of the goods 50 lakhs and you sold at the rate of 80 lakhs. So how much profit?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Let's say again in the trading account, profit and loss account, just for a sample, okay? And this is your trading account. So as per the trading account, you have gross profit 30 lakhs and you need to carry forward the same 30 lakhs to here. Let's say out of this 30 lakhs, you have the business expenses. Consider you have 20 lakhs expenses. Then what will be your net profit? Your net profit would be around 10 lakhs. Consider this is your original information. Your purchase is 50 lakhs, your sales 80 lakhs, and your profit and loss account net profit was how much? 10 lakhs. Are you eligible for non-audit?
Yes.
Are you a small taxpayer now? Is your turnover below 2 crore? Yes, my turnover is below 2 crore. So instead of reporting my original profit, I can opt for presumptive taxation scheme. I can file ITR form number 4 by declaring, okay, my total sales 80 lakhs. Out of 80, I have collected 50 lakhs in bank and 30 lakhs in cash. On bank collection, what is the minimum profit?
6%.
And cash collection?
8%.
So I will go 50 lakhs by 6% and 30 lakhs. So altogether, what is my computed presumptive taxation profit?
54. 5 lakhs.
So as per original book of accounts, my profit is 10 lakhs. As per presumptive taxation scheme, my profit is only 5,40,000. So let's say this is happening in the year, let's say this is happening in the financial year 21 and 22. So what is my profit? 5,40,000. So what return I will file here? ITR form number 4. Audit or non-audit?
Non-audit.
Non-audit. Okay. How much profit I will report?
5 lakhs.
10 lakhs or 5,40,000?
5 lakh 40,000.
Even though if these book of accounts maintained, you no need to report to government. any government officer, even if they visit your office, they will not validate whether you have proof of this 20,000. You no need to have any proof. There will be no validation because you are a small taxpayer. Directly report your turnover, actual turnover reported in GST or actual turnover you have with you. And on that you need to declare what? Minimum profit. Okay, so in the year 21 and 22, what we'll do? We'll report 5,40,000 profit and we'll file ITR form number 4. It is what? Non-audit. Okay, let's say there is a case in the next year, in the financial year 22 and 23, there is a different case. You have very much expenses. Consider you have expenses nearly 28 lakhs. I am talking about the next year 22 and 23. Your gross profit same. Assume your gross profit is same. Assume your expenses are increased to
28 lakhs. 2 lakhs.
Your net profit 30 lakhs minus. So what is your net profit in this year?
2 lakhs.
So in this year, do you go for audit or non-audit?
Non-audit.
Here in this case, I am talking about the year 22 and 23. In this year, your turnover is less than 2 crore, but your original profit is how much?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. As per presumptive taxation scheme, what is the profit?
5 lakh 46.
5 lakh. So in this year, do you like to pay taxes on 2 lakhs or do you like to pay taxes on 5 lakhs 40,000?
2 lakhs.
As a business owner, you already have an idea. You have very much losses. So you don't want to pay taxes on 5,40,000. You wanted to report to government only.
2 lakhs.
But here in this year, you need to conduct audit because you are not willing to declare minimum profit. In this year, your turnover is less than 2 crore. Of course, you are eligible, but you don't want to declare 5,40,000 minimum profit. You want to declare what?
2 lakhs.
Now, for validation of this, you need to go audit for your book of accounts. Your turnover is less than 2 crore, but you are not willing to report minimum profit. So government will have a doubt on you. Why you don't have minimum profit at least? Why you have very less profit? You need to explain to government by conducting audit. You need to show the proofs of. A auditor will be validating each and every expenditure that is occurred in your business in the total financial. Only after the validation he will report his opinion, then he will finalize the net profit. On that you need to pay taxes to government. Okay, remember. So in the year 22 and 23 we'll report how much of profit? Only
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs, and we'll file for, in case if this business belongs to individual, ITR 3 audit. If this business belongs to firm, ITR 5 audit. Yes, clear. Then next year next financial year, what is the next financial year? 23-24. Assume same purchases, same sales. This year you have expenses only again 2 lakhs. You have expenses how much? You have expenses only 20 lakhs. So total sales 30 lakhs, gross profit 30 lakhs, expenses only 20 lakhs. So what is your net profit in this year? In this year you have net profit 10 lakhs. As per original book of accounts, your profit is 10 lakhs. As per presumptive taxation scheme, your profit is again. So in this year, do you like to report net profit 10 lakhs as per book of accounts or 5,40,000 as per computation of presumptive taxation scheme? How much you like to report? 5,40,000. But here it is not allowed. It is not allowed. If you go for audit for one financial year, you need to continue it for another 4 financial years, irrespective of your profit, irrespective of your turnover. Okay? You got my point?
Yes.
So in the year, because you already conducted audit in the year 22 and 23, so you need to proceed it for more 4, total 5 years. If I go for 22-23 audit, I need to continue it for more 4 immediate financial year. Again in the next year, you need to validate whether you are eligible or not. Got my point? Remember this rule. So that's the reason in second case, what is actual profit? But still people will report 5,40,000 minimum profit and go for ITR 4, go for non-audit, so that you can continue benefits in maybe in 1 year you are reporting some extra income of 3 lakhs, but you will be covering the same in upcoming financial year by going with non-audit. Just because of 1 year, if you wanted to show only 2 lakhs instead of 5,40,000, if you go for audit, you need to continue with the same process for more for financial year. Instead of doing that, okay, my profit is 2 lakhs in that year, but I will report my minimum profit as 5,40,000. I will file ITR form number 4. You got my point? So you always remember, if you once covered in ITR, if you once covered in audit, you need to continue it for another 4 financial year. Total 5 years you need to go for audit. Remember this rule. Okay, clear? Doubts are clear? Remember. So in ITR form number 4, irrespective of your actual profit, you need to report your presumptive taxation scheme profit. Okay. समझ में आ गया? One more thing I would like to update. In non-audit cases, consider same thing as going to happen in this year as well. Look, now a business owner approaching you with a profit of rupees total 10 lakhs. They already used tally application, they already prepared purchases, sales, they already tally already showing profit of 10 lakhs. A person is approaching you to file income tax return. What do you do now? What do you do now? You first need to check what? Total sales. You don't even consider original profit. You just consider what? Only the total turnover, and ask them to provide the bank statement. And you see, out of 80 lakhs of sales, how much money collected in bank? Okay, consider 50 lakhs collected in bank, and consider the balance you received in cash. You need to consider what? Only the sales turnover and money received in bank, money received in cash, reported directly here. Total how much? 5,40,000. So as per your computation, as per presumptive taxation scheme computation, 80 lakhs turnover, net profit 5,40,000. As per original book of accounts, 80 lakhs turnover, 10 lakhs profit. Now they will ask you, sir, kindly help me to lower my income. So you need to do what most of the tax consultancies they do know. They will book dummy expenses. What is the actual profit? Just to match this 5,40,000, the maybe tax consultancies, they will book another expenses for 4,60,000. So automatically net profit is reduced to 5,40,000. And how much expenses we booked extra? We no need to have any proof. Even if any GST, any income department officer coming and verifying your book of accounts, they also have an idea. Book of accounts is not subject to non-audit cases, so they will verify only is your turnover is correct, is your bank receipts correct, is your cash receipts correct. They will validate even only this, just for client satisfaction, to reduce the profit, to match the profit as per presumptive taxation scheme, in Tally they used to book some dummy expenses. Paid for puja expenses, stationery expenses, office, staff welfare, repair and maintenance, any other dummy expenses they will book, and they will directly report the profit as 5,40,000. Now they will ask the fees to the client. Sir, your actual profit is 10 lakhs. I have booked so many expenses. I collected bills from different companies. I am showing you in your book of accounts. I have reduced your profit. What is the actual profit as per the client? What is the actual profit of the client? 10 lakhs is a profit as per client knowledge, and we are booking extra dummy expenses of 4,60,000 and we are going to report 5,40,000. Just for client satisfaction, you need to book your dummy expenses to reduce the profit, but you no need to have any proofs for them, because book of accounts not even mandatory in case of non-audit. When book of accounts are not considered, whatever you maintain, it's no matter to government. What matter to government? Your turnover, amount received in bank, amount received in cash, and are you reporting this profit or not? That is only government is looking for. Got my point? So just for client satisfaction, you need to book dummy expenses to reduce your profit. Now you give a print copy to the client. If you do not do like this, as per statement they have 10 lakhs profit, but as per ITR 4 printout they will see profit of, again they'll get a confusion. No sir, in my book of account I have 10 lakh of profit, but here you reported 5,40,000. What is this? So you need to do what here? You need to book dummy expenses of 4,60,000 to reduce the profit to 5,40,000. In this way, people used to file the return. But actually, did we upload this report in the portal? No. What? You need to report only these three things in the portal. Just for client satisfaction, you will be preparing a statement by booking dummy expenses, by matching book of account profit as per ITR 4 profit. So we'll give a fresh profit and loss account to him. We also give a proof of ITR form number 4 filing after the filing of the return. Okay, समझ में आ गया? Yeah, remember. And one more thing I would like to update you. Computation format. In case of a proprietary, means individual, correct? So individual needs to report income from salary, income from house property, income from business, yeah. Any individual running any business in the name of proprietary, their PAN card will be used because it is a proprietary. So just like their salary income, yesterday how much we reported? Just like their salary income, just like their property income, they also need to report income from business. And they also need to add what? Income from other. We reported yesterday, right? What is income from other sources? Income from savings bank account, fixed deposit. Just like any other income in proprietary, any business will never pay taxes to the government on business name. The business profit needs to be considered as personal income. Just like my salary income, just like my property income, I also have income from my business. How much? Then these will become gross total income. Gross total. On gross total income. What is a gross total income? Equal to sum, open bracket. Again I am going to confirm here. Any individual proprietary business owner, they never pay taxes in the name of the business. They will consider business income as their personal income, just like salary income, just like property income, just like other source income. They need to transfer business income to their personal income, and they need to pay taxes to government. Okay, समझ में आ गया? Remember. So from this income again they can use what? You know the sections 80C, 80D, 80DDB. There are some section 80. After let's say there are some deduction rupees, let's say 5 lakhs. So the remaining will be your net taxable income. The remaining balance will be the net taxable income. On this net taxable income, they will apply the slabs. I hope you got to know it, right? समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Again I confirm, if any individual person running a business, they never pay taxes in the name of the business, the business income needs to be considered as personal income, and they need to report in ITR form number 4. If they have only salary income, property income and income from other sources, they will file what? ITR 1 or 2. If they also have business or profession income, they need to file what? ITR 4. Okay? Only individual person having income from salary, having income from property, having income from other sources, these people will file ITR form number 1. If that individual also have any income from business or profession, then they need to file ITR form number 4 in case of non-audit. Okay? Look, let's say if I don't have salary income, put it 0. If you don't have property income, put it 0. If you don't have any income from other sources, put it 0. So how much you report? See, while taking care of my business, I also can work in any other company. I can make more money in the name of salary, yes or no? So I may have all source of income, or I may have less source of incomes, but whatever is, if you have income from business or profession, file what? ITR form number 4. If you have salary income, report here. If you have property income, report. If you have only business income, report business income and file ITR form number 4. In ITR form number 4, you also can report salary income, property income along with business income. If you only have salary, house property, income from other sources, report ITR 1. Additional to this income, if you also have extra income from business or profession, you need to report it on ITR form number 4, which means in ITR form number 4, you can report business income along with your salary income. If you have exclusive business income also, ITR 4. Okay, remember. This is for whom? Computation for proprietor. Let's say if that business belongs to a firm will have salary income, firm will not have any salary income. Do firm will have any property income? Yes. Firms also can have properties. Firm also can have properties. If they have property income, they need to report. If they don't have, no need to report. And here next what? Income from business and profession. Yes, they can have income from business and profession. They can have income from other sources. And on the gross total income, let's say 5,40,000, 0. So what is the gross income? 5,40,000, and here only one deduction is applicable, that to 80G and 80GDC. Means what? Only donations. 80G donations to charity, 80GGC donations to political parties. No any, because medical expenses, a natural individual person may have medical expenses. Artificial individual, firm is a artificial individual, they will have medical expenses? No, right? So as Any income belongs to natural person is not applicable to artificial person. So there, see, as an individual I can work in any company, I can make money in the name of salary. Firm may work in any other company, there is no physical body presence, only PAN card. So PAN card cannot make money by working in any other company. So they will not have what? Income from salary, not applicable to firm. Likely all the remaining deductions are eligible for individual person but not for a artificial person. And here, let's say you don't have any, then what? On the net income, you need to apply not the slab but flat rate of directly 30%. If 5,40,000 belongs to an individual person, how much taxes they should pay to government? Consider 5,40,000 is a income. How much taxes they should pay? 0 to 2,50,000. 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. The last slab 10 lakhs to above. Out of 5,40,000 income, how much income will be falling in first slab? How much income falling in second slab? What is income more than 5 lakhs? 40,000. Yes? 0%, 5%, 20% directly, 30%. Any income more than 10 lakhs? No. So, if you apply it now, the total tax, if 5,40,000 income generated by an individual person, if 5,40,000 income generated by individual person, how much taxes they should pay? 20,500. If same 5,40,000 income generated by a partnership firm, how much they should pay? Flat 30%, no slabs. Slabs applicable only to individual persons. So if that 5,40,000 income for any firm, they need to pay directly 30%, which is how much tax? Same profit, individual tax payable 20,500. Same tax, same profit belongs to a partnership firm, they should pay how much? 30%. There will be no slabs applicable. If your profit is 100 rupees, you should pay 30 rupees to government. Of course, on this tax again cess 4% will be applicable, you know. Here also same 4% cess will be applicable. Again there is a section, you remember, 234A, 234B, you remember these sections, 234C, 234F is applicable for individuals, also applicable to firms. Is the amount more than 10,000? So firm also should pay advance tax. Yes? समझ में आ गया? So advance tax rules applicable to individuals as well as firms. Even if firm also making money more than 10,000, they supposed to pay advance taxes to government. Is it clear? Now I will take you to the filing of ITR form number 4. Got my points clear? Yes. Remember. So I will show once with individual PAN card. I will also show same practicals with a firm's PAN card. Okay. And before delving into filing, you remember in India for individuals slabs will be there. It may be old slabs, yeah, new slabs. Based on you can choose. And firms need to pay how much taxes? Flat 30%. In India, companies will pay 25% tax on their profit if the turnover is less than 400 crore, and companies should pay 30% taxes if the turnover is less than greater than 400 crore. How much tax? 30%. And in India, any foreign company doing business in India, they need to pay taxes 40% to Indian government irrespective of their turnover. Like if Facebook doing business in India as an Indian company, if they make 100 crore, they need to pay 40 crore plus 4% taxes to, plus 4% cess to Indian government. And they can take remaining 60 crores to their foreign company. You got my point? That's the reason most of the MNC companies do business in India as a Indian company. Facebook not run in India in the name of Zuckerberg. In India, it is run by someone else. The Indian people are responsible. So it is registered in India as Facebook Online Services India Private Limited, registered in Haryana. Google company registered in Maharashtra, Mumbai as Google India Private Limited. So they are doing business in India as a Indian company, so they will fall under 25% or 30%. If they do business in India as a foreign company, they need to pay how much? That's the reason. Okay, to save the 10%, they do business in India as a Indian company. Okay, I will take you to ITR form number 4 filing. Yeah, so first I am going to show proprietary ITR 4. Okay, I go to your income tax portal, login, same class, just like yesterday. I am using your PAN card. Okay, go to can you see the PAN card fourth character? What is the fourth character? P for individual. Consider he is running a business. Okay, so go to continue, accept the declaration. You changed? You did not? Yeah. So go to e-file, income tax returns, file, income tax return, select assessment year 23, 24 and go to online. And I go to start new filing because yesterday we've done practicals on ITR 1. So I'm going to take you to the new filing so that I can go by ITR 4. As per the PAN card, what is our PAN card status, capacity, role? We are an individual person. Go to continue and here I can file only 1, 2, 3, 4. In case of only salary, property, other source income, ITR 1 less than 50 lakhs, ITR 2 more than 50 lakhs. If I also have any income from business or profession, audit ITR 3, non-audit ITR 4. What we are choosing now?
ITR 4.
ITR 4. So when you become a CA, you will also learn how to file ITR 3. So we will not teach here. As we promised, we will teach non-audit cases. If it is audit cases, it has to be digitally signed by a chartered accountant. So when you become a member of ICAI, you can file ITR 3. You are not authorized to file audit IT filing. You are not authorized. So will not teach you. I'll go by ITR 4 and yes. Same pages but only one thing. So look here. What are the sections? 44 AD, 44 ADA, 44 AE. You don't need to remember, but you should have some minimum knowledge. Yes, I am filing the return because my income is more than basic exemption and go to continue. What extra page you are observing today? Disclosures and exempt income. I go to first page. First page, what are the three important things? Confirming nature of employment, working in others, private company, private employees. Are you opting for new tax regime? Yes or no? Opting or not opting? No. And whether this return being filed by a representative assessee?
Yes.
No. When I am reporting someone else's income in my ITR, I need to confirm, yes, I need to report their PAN card. Let's say my parent, aged 90 years. My parent, aged 90 years, they have some properties, they have some income, but they cannot declare. So what I will do? I will report their income in my ITR. So I am the representative assessee. I am not the original assessee, but I am reporting as a son. I am reporting my parents' income in my ITR. As they are not capable of filing the return, I am filing the return. Let's say there is my friend who is located in USA. Let's say he is some a busy person, but he have some properties registered in India. So what I will do? As I am the take care of the property, but the property owner is my friend, he is located out of, so I am going to file the ITR. That is allowed. Okay. So in such cases only you need to do this. Are you doing like this now? No, I am reporting my income, so I am not representing any other income here. Keep it no. Yeah, you need to add at least one of your bank accounts and go to confirm. Page 1 completed. Page 2, just like same yesterday. I am going to skip these questions. Today, extra page will be added. And the extra page, you guess what is the extra page today you are observing? Income from salary yesterday, income from house property also yesterday, and today what is the new one?
Income from business.
Along with these business income, if you also have income from salary, report here. Along with these business income, if you also have a property income, report here. Remember, as we covered yesterday, I am not going to cover this, okay? I go to income from business or profession. I will take you to add details. So I have given you just now 3 sections, right? 3 sections here: business, profession, goods carriage. Business, 44 AD. What is the limit? Less than 2 crore and willing to declare minimum profit of 6% or 8%. One more, profession. Okay, select Nayora, I will show. After this, I will show. And here for profession, what is the rules? Less than 50 lakhs and a minimum profit 50%. One more, goods carriage. Any small transport agency with less than 10 vehicles. I have 9 lorries. I can declare all my yearly income from my transport in goods carriage. 44 AE, 44 AD, 44 ADA, 44 AE. Business less than 2 crore, minimum profit 6%, 8%. Profession less than 50 lakhs, minimum profit 50%. If any transport agency with less than 10 number of vehicles, they need to report their income in under goods and carriage. They no need to conduct audit. If they have vehicles more than 10 vehicles, they need to go for audit. So I will report the first one is what? Business. Name of the business. What is the total turnover of the business? Let's say I will report, yes, I will report name of the business, for example, Vedanta Academy. Not Vedanta Academy, Vedanta Trading, because we have declared turnover, right? Sales, purchase and sales. So I will report Vedanta Trading. Next, business name. What kind of business you are doing? There will be a lot of business codes will be available: marketing and horticulture, tea, coffee, rubber, husbandry services, operation, tendu leaves, transport system, and fishing services, fish farming, mining, quarrying, mining of gemstones. There is a lot of cloth store, all kind of businesses codes will be there, rice milling, everything, wholesale, retail. I need to search for code. Let's say we are running a household purchases and sales. So I am searching wholesale of household goods and description. Same I can mention. Can you have more than one business? You can add the business 1 and again add business 2, add business 3. You keep adding the number of businesses you own on your PAN card. And here gross turnover. through account payee. What is the total turnover? 80 lakhs. What is the total amount received through account payee? Means the money you received in bank. How much?
50 lakhs.
50 lakhs. If I put one more zero, it will become 5 crore. Then I will get error. See the error. If gross receipts are more than 2 crore, it is mandatory to have tax audit under section 44AB. Please use ITR 3 if you are individual. Please use ITR 5 if you are a firm. Because I reported how much turnover? More than 2 crore. So more than 2 crore, what will have? It will become mandatory for audit. So I need to go for ITR 3 in case of individual business, ITR 5 in case of firm business. Yes? So that's what it is warning me. So how much turnover we have via digital? I will remove that 50 lakhs. No error. Next what? Through other mode. What is the balance?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Other mode, total turnover 80 lakhs. Out of 80 lakhs, 50 lakhs collection from bank, 30 lakhs collection from cash. Total turnover reported 80 lakhs. And here next, presumptive income, estimated income, assumed income, estimated but not accurate. What is 6% of 1A? Here is 1A. What is 1A? 50 lakhs. On 50 lakhs, what is the minimum profit to be reported? 6%. That is
3 lakhs.
That is 3 lakhs. If I report 3 lakhs, more, there will be no error. But if I report, let's say 2,99,000, which is less than minimum profit. So if you are not willing to report less minimum profit, you need to go again audit. Yes or no? See the rule. If income is less than 6% of gross turnover through account payee, it is mandatory to have tax audit. Please use ITR 3 if individual, use ITR 5 in case of firm. It is reminding you. Yes? So, to get eligibility for presumptive taxation scheme, your turnover should be less than 2 crore. At the same time, you should be willing to report minimum profit. If you do not satisfy both, audit mandatory. So, what is the minimum profit I report?
3 lakhs.
Can I report more than minimum profit? Absolutely, you can report, you can pay higher taxes. But the minimum is what?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. And what is left? On cash receipt, what is the percentage? 8. How much it is? 2 lakh.
40.
Can you see here? 8%. I go by 2,40,000. That's it. Go and add. I reported today business income. In the last class, we discussed a reporting of salary income, reporting property income, and now I covered extra one, income from business, profession. Can you see the section? For business 44 AD, for profession 44 ADA, for goods carriage 44 AE, 3 people. Okay. So if you are running any profession, you should report in the next one. Can you see here?
Yes. Income profit.
Click on show details, edit. We added what? Business 44 AD. You can go to profession. What is this? 44 AE. Here what is the minimum profit to be reported?
50%.
So which means as a doctor, as a lawyer, if you collect total fees, let's say 40 lakhs, you need to report profit as
20 lakhs.
so you need to report here 40 lakhs and report profit 20 lakhs. 40 lakhs total fees collected, 20 lakhs is my profit. You no need to show any other expenses proof, no rent, nothing, just turnover, minimum profit 50%, that's it. Okay. And in case of goods carriage, this one. Minus presumptive income, salary and interest paid to partners, and presumptive income. Whatever total income you have received minus salary and any interest paid on this vehicle. When you have vehicle, you will pay some EMIs on the whatever interest you have paid towards. So salaries you paid minus interest paid to the respective partners, any remuneration paid to the partner, the balance amount will be the income. On that you need to report the same. But make sure, what is the condition? You should have less than
10.
10 vehicles. Okay, remember this rule. Okay, so mostly we will not use this, but regularly we'll go for businesses and professions. Remember these two rules. If you have business, add in business. If you have profession, add in profession. And directly go to I reported only one, that is business. Business income how much? Turnover 80 lakhs reported, profit 5,40,000 reported. Turnover 80 lakhs, profit 5,40,000. Directly go and save. And I am going to remove this one. What is this?
Income from other.
So I did not reported any salary income. I did not reported property income. I reported only business income, and I am going to delete income from other sources. By default, you are getting two income, nearly 37 rupees. I am going to delete it. In reality, you can just continue. Go to confirm. We completed page number 2. The rest of things are same. But one small change today. You confirm me one thing. What is the new page today you are observing? Disclosures and exempt income. Yeah, you no need to report these financials, means your sundry debtor, sundry creditors. Click on the button add. You no need to report them. Is anyone going to validate this? No. So you report all zeros. If you wanted to report, you can report, but it is not mandatory. Because when audit is not conducted, how you finalize what is your net capital, what is the closing capital, what is debtor, what is creditor, what is your, it is not at all possible, right? Yeah, so I reported all financials as zeros. Go to add, but one thing is important in today's third page, disclosures and exempt income. You no need to disclose your financials, but you need to report information regarding turnover, gross receipts reported for GST. How much turnover we reported? 80 lakhs, correct? We covered GST registration class. Yes. How much turnover I reported? For category 1 states, more than 10 lakhs turnover, GST mandatory. For category 2 states, turnover more than 20 lakhs, registration mandatory in GST. For category 3, Andhra Pradesh, goods more than 40 lakhs, services more than 20 lakhs, registration mandatory. So, just now we reported turnover 80 lakhs. And if you don't have GST number, within 10 to 15 days after filing this return, you will receive a demand notice from GST stating that in your ITR form number 4, you reported your income, your turnover as 80 lakhs, but you did not register in GST. Why so? Both are interlinked. How much turnover we reported? 80 lakhs. But if you don't have GST number registered on this PAN card, you will receive a notice. Because what is the maximum limit? 20 lakhs in Telangana. For category 1, 10 lakhs. Category 2, 20 lakhs. For category 3, goods 40 lakhs. Services, how much? 20 lakhs. You remember that? I will show you in the WhatsApp if you don't remember. Can you see? For category 1, 10 lakhs, category 2, 20 lakhs, category 3, 40 lakhs and 20 lakhs. You are reporting the turnover more than the threshold limit, but if you don't have GST number, you will receive a notice. You got my point? So remember. So if you are reporting the gross receipt that are greater than the prescribed limit, you should have GST number. If you don't have, they will ask you to pay GST to the government by sending a notice to you. If you are dealing with 5% goods on 80 lakhs, you should pay 5% GST to government. If you are dealing with 18% goods on 80 lakhs turnover, you need to pay 18% taxes to government. So make sure you should be very careful in this. I'll report a dummy one, okay? Just for practicals. How much turnover?
80 lakhs.
Okay. If you have more than one GST, click on add and report the turnover and click on the button add. This is the important thing. When GST number addition is important, when you have added turnover more than 10 lakhs for category 1, more than 20 lakhs for category 2, more than 40 lakhs, yeah, 20 lakhs for category 3. So remember, based on your state, you need to file the return, you need to disclose the required information. Then you can skip all other declarations. Is it individual ITR 4 or firm ITR 4? So individual persons will have medical expenses,
Yes.
will have ATC. Yes, all any deduction you are eligible, ATC, ATD, ATDDB, ATE, ATEE, ATG, ATGG, ATGDC, you can claim. Consider I don't have any deductions, I will skip these questions, okay? So I will take you to confirm. So there is no deductions you have directly 5,40,000. So go to taxes paid. How much taxes already paid in this PAN card? TDS 4 rupees is there. Okay, no problem, because you have some. You said no, you have some returns booking. So only 4 rupees TDS is there. Okay, no problem. We'll see. What is our guest tax liability as per our calculation? How much it should be on 5,40,000? How much we should pay? 20,000 on 5,40,000, 0 to 2.5, 2.5 to 5, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, altogether 20,500 is the tax payable. Can you see here? 20,500. But here in the portal, if you see, total how much asking? Why 29,000?
Sir, we haven't paid in advance.
Are you filing the return before the due date?
No, after the due date.
After the due date, at the same time you can see 24A, 24B, 24C, 24F. Is your income less than 5 lakhs, more than 5 lakhs?
More than
5,40,000. So 5,000 late fees. So instead of paying 20,500 with including all penalties and late fees, it's becoming 29,515. But in income tax, the rounding will be nearby 10 rupees. So either 500, 510, 520, 530. There will be no 5 rupees. Nearest, 4% will be added. Yes. On 20,500, what says? No GST, normal says. On 20,500 plus 4% says already added. Health and education says 4% on what amount? If you see, I'll open 4th page once again. On 20,500 plus 4% says 820. Total 21,320 plus additional 234A, 234B, 234C, 234F. Altogether 29,515. 515 very close to what? Because you have 4 rupees. So 4 rupees is there. After adjustment of the 4 rupees, can you see here? It is rounded nearest 10 multiple. What is nearest 10 multiple? 510 or 520. So out of 515 minus 4 rupees, it will be what? 511. 511 is very close to 510. So 510 is a payable. You know the remaining part. You should click on the button pay now, go to UPI, make the payment, download the challan and go back to
the returns.
update challan number in what page? You don't know?
No, sir.
Go to taxes paid.
Confirm.
Paid what tax this time? Assessment tax. Add details. You'll be getting a challan number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7-digit BSR code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Challan.
and date of today 20. Next how much? 29,510. You forget?
No, sir.
Paying challan, you know?
Yes.
Okay, I will check the yesterday challan. So this kind of challan you receive.
Yes.
So in the challan, after making the 29,000, you will see the amount, challan number, BSR code. That you need to upload in the page number 4. Go to where? What is page number 4? Taxes paid. You need to go to there and add the challan number, serial number, BSR code, date of deposit, amount of deposit. So whatever liability was created, we also paid. So now you need to make payment of 0 and directly go to preview the return, select the declaration and go to proceed to preview. Then the next step will be the last one, preview and confirm Aadhaar OTP. I will show you same practicals with firm. What is the maximum liability we got? 20,500 plus the extra taxes. I will show you same practicals by using a firm PAN card. Note down the firm logins. Online students also note down the firm logins. You may have individual PAN card, but I am giving you now firm login. Note down the firm PAN card. AASFV. Note down. Just for practicals. AASFV. What is the fourth character? F. F means what? Firm. AASFV 0225A. AASFV 0225A. Fourth character of the PAN card is now what? F. Firm. The password, you know the common password, Ganga@1 Yamuna. Ganga@1 Yamuna. Online students also please note down the PAN card name AASFV 0225A and the password Ganga@1 Yamuna. Capital G, capital Y. Okay, for these practicals. Continue. Same thing. Go to e-file, income tax return, file income tax return, select 2324 online, go to continue, start new filing. Based on the PAN card we used, are we individual? No. Others who? Partnership firm. Based on the PAN card you logged in, automatically option changed. Now how many returns are eligible for me? Only 4 and 5. When 4? Non-audit. When 5?
Audit.
So what we are going to file now?
Non-audit.
Non-audit, which means 4. Proceed with ITR. Same pages. Let's get started. First page. Here you will not see any option in employment because firm cannot have any employment. Can you select any employment? There is no physical body presence, so firm cannot work anywhere. Firm cannot make money in the name of salary, so no employment. Is the return being filed by a representative SSC? No. One bank account added. Go to confirm. Page 1 completed. Page 2, here you will see salary, but you cannot add salary income. Can you see the options? Can you see the stop sign? Look here. Same ITR 4, same type of format, but here as we logged in using a firm PAN card, you can see the section of salary, income from salary, but you cannot provide any inputs. Yeah, you see all of you. Can you see salary name? Is it visible to you? It is visible, but can you see the stop sign also? Because firm is, there is no body presence, you cannot make money in the name of salary, so 0 income. But firm may have properties, firm may have run businesses. I click on the button add. I will report again the dummy details. Provide your business name, select your business code, provide your business description, add what is the turnover through bank, 80 lakhs, turnover through cash. Next, what is the 6%? 3 lakhs, 2,40,000, 3 lakhs, and again Same 5,40,000 income I am reporting using a firm PAN card. Now you see how much tax will create. Just to make you understand the difference between same filing format with individual PAN card with firm PAN card. Still loading. I directly go to confirm. You see how much liability was created. 1,98,740. I go to disclosures and exempt income. I will report all my financials zero. Add. I directly go to confirm. Next, any deductions, any allowed? Only donations. Can you see the stop sign everywhere? Can you see a stop sign everywhere? What you can add? Only donations. Consider I don't have even donations. So directly continue. Continue. Only donations can be added. Taxes paid. Already here in this PAN card, 15 rupees taxes paid. That is all about, we used to pay 1 rupee. Likely we paid for 15 times, which means 15 rupees taxes paid. Go to the last page. So on 5,40,000 rupees, what is the flat rate should be? 1 lakh. Same 5,40,000 tax liability 20,500 for individual. Same profit 5,40,000 if it is firm, directly flat rate how much? 30%. You see 5,40,000 total how much? 1,62,500. 1,62,500. Can you see here? 1,62,500 directly plus 4% cess. Okay. Plus late fees 234A, delay in filing the return. We are filing after July 31st and we did not pay any advance taxes. We did not clear any installment of quarterly, and we also have income more than 5 lakhs, so 5,000 late fees. All together 1,98,740. Out of 1,98,740, how much taxes already paid? 15 rupees taxes paid. So what is the balance? 198,730. I click on the button, pay now, proceed, continue. I will pay rupee only 198,730. Remember the value? 198,730. Remember it. I go to UPI, SBI, continue. Pay now. Submit to bank. What we selected? SBI. So net banking or UPI. I go to UPI. I am going to scan this QR code. That 1 rupee was paid. Wait for 5 seconds. Your transaction is success. 198,730. Yes. 198,730. Okay. I click on the button download. Now the payment was done and challan was downloaded. You need to update these BSR code, challan number, date and amount of deposit in which page taxes paid. Go back to return filing, but nowadays challans are being updated automatically. If challan not updated automatically, you go back and update it manually. Okay, how much tax is paid now? 16, which means 1 rupee added. Previously it was 50 rupees was there, now it is challan automatically added. So I will replace 1 rupee. I go to taxes paid, I go to assessment tax, show details, today's date. What is today's date? 27th of December. Can you see the last date? 27th of December. 1 rupee paid. I click on the button. I am going to replace, click on the button edit. Just for our practicals, I paid 1 rupee. So what is the original amount you will be paying? 1,98,730. So I removed 1 rupee, I replaced by the actual amount. If you really pay 1,98,730, you should do like this and go to confirm and go to proceed. You are eligible for refund of 1 rupee because of that extra 1 rupee. Okay, I got it. Proceed to the file return, accept the declaration, and in the end you need to provide at least one partner PAN card. They will receive, because it is a firm, there will be partners. You need to provide at least one person's PAN card name and provide the PAN card number and go to proceed to preview one partner PAN card. Okay, just for receiving Aadhaar OTPs, and preview the return and directly go to and proceed to validation. If there is no errors, one validation is error. What is error? Please provide office phone number. My validation was failed due to that one issue. I will click on the button, the error, directly it will take me to the respective location. Okay, mobile number not added, office phone number. I directly go to save. Go to confirm. Again proceed. Preview return. Proceed to preview. Again validate it. Now see the message. What is the message? Validation successful. Proceed to verification. Now in the end we have added one partner PAN card, right? So the PAN card linked Aadhaar card will be receiving OTPs. Generate Aadhaar OTPs and continue. Yes. So the owner will be receiving the Aadhaar OTPs. If you once confirm the OTPs, the ITR form number 4 for firm will be completed. Okay, so wherever you are working, if the business turnover is less than 2 crore, you can file the return in this way. If it is more than 2 crore, whatever tally book of accounts you have maintained, you need to surrender to a chartered accountant. If it is less than 2 crore, you can file in this way. Any CA sign required? Any documents to upload in the portal? Nothing. Because we are eligible for Presumptive Taxation scheme. We are a small taxpayer. In India, businesses with a turnover less than 2 crore, profession with a receipts less than 50 lakhs, and a transport agency with less than 10 vehicles will be considered as small taxpayer. To reduce tax compliance burden on small taxpayers, government introduced Presumptive Taxation scheme. Okay, that's it. What are the sections? 44AD, 44ADA, 44AE. Business, profession, transport agency. Okay, that's it. See you tomorrow in the next class. Bye. See you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you.